AI Logo Studio Review. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm reviewing a product called AI Logo Studio. Now before I begin with my review, if you are someone who is interested in affiliate marketing and wants one simple affiliate marketing system that spits out automatic commissions for life, having thousands of verified testimonials, then I highly recommend you to click the third link in the description box below and create your free account. Having said that, let's begin the AI Logo Studio review. Okay, so what is AI Logo Studio? Effortlessly create and monetize stunning logos in seconds. Okay, now scrolling down further, we will learn, here's what we will learn inside AI Logo Studio. And guys, if you want to reach on to the same page, all you need to do is click the second link in the description box below and you will land onto my bonus review page for AI Logo Studio. Okay, so let us see together what is AI Logo Studio. AI Logo Studio is a groundbreaking tool designed to revolutionize the way logos are created. Powered by advanced AI technology, it enables users to generate thousands of unique and professional logos with just a simple keyword or prompt. I mean, guys, how mind blowing is that, and how easy does this make our job of creating logos? Okay, with just a simple keyword or prompt, you'll be able to create, highly professional logos. And what does this help with? This eliminates the need for extensive design skills or the expense of hiring professional designers, making high quality logo creation accessible to everyone. How many times have you, hired professional designers, to get our logo created and spend a lot of money, or we had to have some extensive design skills. Now with the help of AI Logo Studio, both these factors are not into consideration. Okay, so with AI Logo Studio, users can browse through a vast library of expertly crafted logo templates or create entirely new designs effortlessly. Whether for personal branding, business ventures, or freelance services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, this tool provides the flexibility to customize and download logos in various formats, ensuring they are ready to use across different digital and print mediums. Now, guys, this is really exciting because you can create your gig on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. You can create your gig, where you sell your logo creation service. And when you grab your copy of AI Logo Studio, you can easily create your gig and start to give these services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. The software's versatility extends beyond mere creation. It equips users with the capability to monetize their designs as well. By leveraging its commercial license, entrepreneurs can sell their logos on popular freelance platforms or directly to clients worldwide. So, guys, because it has a because it has a commercial license, as discussed, you will be able to create your gigs, and you can act as a freelancer on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, or you can directly sell to clients worldwide. So this dual functionality makes AI Logo Studio a comprehensive tool for both creative expression and entrepreneurial success in the digital age. Yes, we just discussed it. And the software's versatility extends beyond mere creation. It equips users with the capability to monetize their designs. And how do you monetize their designs? Because it has a commercial license, entrepreneurs can sell their logos on popular freelance platforms or directly to clients worldwide. So yes, guys, anyone, if you want it for your personal thing, or you want to act as a freelancer on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or you want to, directly sell the logos to client worldwide, AI Logo Studio, will help you achieve that. So, that is what AI Logo Studio is in a nutshell. And if you want to read down all the features again, you can head over to my bonus review page. Just click the second link in the description box below. Head over to my bonus review page of AI Logo Studio and you'll be able to read all the features in detail. Now, guys, if you decide to buy your copy of AI Logo Studio through any of these links on my bonus review page, you will be qualified for some awesome bonuses inside your Warrior Plus account after purchase. Okay, so let's see together. These are some high quality bonuses that I've made specially for AI Logo Studio, and these bonuses are not available anywhere else. Okay, so the first bonus is called Traffic X. Steal our top 10 traffic methods for bigger profits, hotter leads, and more money in your pocket. Once you get Traffic X, all your traffic problems get solved. Okay, moving on to my bonus number 2, which is called Proximity. Okay, a proven method for daily passive profits in just 15 minutes per day. Okay, without paid ads, an email list, or any experience. And guys, just a gentle reminder, if you want to read all my bonuses in detail, all you need to do is click the second link in the description box below, head over to this page, and you'll be able to read all the bonuses in detail. Bonus number 3 is basically a case study which reveals a simple way to bank an easy $105 within 24 hours from right now with free traffic. So if you are anyone who is who is using free traffic in their internet marketing journey, then this case study is a must watch. Moving on to my bonus number 4, this is a really exciting bonus. It is basically an underground method that banks 100% passive income in under 30 minutes per day without a list, paying for traffic or any experience. And guys, I'm really sure you would not have come across such a method in your affiliate marketing journey. Okay, and you get all these bonuses absolutely free when you grab your copy of AI Logo Studio, through any of these buttons on my bonus review page. Moving on to my next bonus, this is my last bonus. This is related to high ticket affiliate marketing and is called High Ticket Jacker. Discover our top secret method for banking $12,609.28 in just 30 days by jacking high ticket affiliate offers. Why a high ticket jacker method is better than every other affiliate method we have seen before. So guys, these were all my awesome bonuses, and you get all these bonuses absolutely free of cost when you grab your copy of AI Logo Studio through any of these buttons on my bonus review page. As I repeatedly said, all you need to do is click the second link in the description box below, head over to my bonus review page, and you will be able to grab all your awesome bonuses. Now when you come onto this page, I would also recommend you to read this section of my review because it will further help you make an informed decision whether AI Logo Studio is the right fit for you or not. Scrolling down further, there are some more testimonials, and last but not the least, AI Logo Studio comes with a complete no question asked money back guarantee, 30-day money back guarantee. Yes guys, so this very much concludes my review of AI Logo Studio. Okay, now before I end my review, just a gentle reminder, if you are someone who is interested in affiliate marketing and wants one simple affiliate marketing method that spits out automatic commissions for life, having thousands of verified testimonials, all you need to do is click the third link in the description box below and create your free account. Thank you so much guys for watching my AI Logo Studio review. I will see you in my next one. Until next time, stay awesome and peace out.